Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Let's start today's video. Color names: yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, red color, blue color, orange color, dark green color, lime color, purple color. Red color: A for apple, A for apple. Green color: B for ball, B for ball. Orange color: C for cat, C for cat. Purple color: D for dog, D for dog. Blue color: E for elephant, E for elephant. Yellow color: F for fish, F for fish. Lime green color: G for grapes, G for grapes. Brown color: H for horse, H for horse. Sky blue color: I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Red color: J for joker, J for joker. Dark green color: K for kite, K for kite. Orange color: L for lemon, L for lemon. Purple color: M for monkey, M for monkey. Blue color: N for nest, N for nest. Yellow color: O for orange, O for orange. Lime green color: P for parrot, P for parrot. Brown color: Q for queen, Q for queen. Sky blue color: R for rose, R for rose. Red color: S for sun, S for sun. Dark green color: T for table, T for table. Orange color: U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Purple color: V for fan, V for fan. Blue color: W for watch, W for watch. Yellow color: X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Lime green color: Y for yak, Y for yak. Brown color: Z for zebra, Z for zebra.